Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. We all need a good, uncomplicated, and reliable soup recipe, something with simple ingredients we always have on hand, and lentil soup is definitely one of those recipes. So follow along if this is for you. I'll start by washing my lentils well. Keep washing and rinsing until it's somewhat clear, then leave them to soak for a minimum of an hour to two. The longer the better, because pre-soaking makes cooking time shorter and easier for your stomach to digest. If you don't have these orange lentils, you can replace with yellow, brown, or green. The color will differ, but the taste and cooking time is pretty much the same. For the classic Arabic lentil soup, you'll need onions, garlic, and carrot, but I didn't have any carrots. I did, however, have extra ingredients that I wanted to use before they went bad, like the tomatoes and the long pepper. So I added those in because I think soups are a great opportunity to clean out your fridge sometimes. I drizzled them with olive oil and I'm going to let them simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium-high heat while covered, making sure to stir them every now and then just so nothing burns. I need the vegetables to soften a bit. Then I'm dropping my lentils with a bit of water, just enough water to cover everything, and then I'm returning it to a medium-high heat while keeping it covered, but also stirring every now and then. Do this for about 30 minutes or just until the lentils have softened and can be mushed with your fingers. I just want to point out that if you notice that the water level is getting lower, but your lentils are nowhere near done, they're not mushy, they're still hard, don't panic, just add in more water and give it more time. So depending on your stove, your pots, your lentils pre-soaking time, this dish might take anywhere from 30 minutes up to an hour and a half. If you are in a rush and you didn't have time to pre-soak the lentils but want to make this anyway, you need to be cooking all of this in a pressure cooker for about 20 minutes to get everything to become soft and mushy really fast so that you can blend it in the end. I add in salt, black pepper, a bit of dried thyme. It's optional, but I love the flavor of it. Then about a teaspoon of cumin powder, and this is what really makes it taste like the classic Arabic lentil soup, which is the cumin powder. I'm also adding in some coriander powder and turmeric, which will give it a more yellow, vibrant color. Now this is optional as well, but you could also add in a pinch of cayenne chili powder or Kashmiri chili powder, just a hint of spicy, just a little to tickle your throat, a faded memory of spicy, nothing too intense. I've got some chopped coriander in the fridge that I want to get rid of, so I added in there too. Now that my lentils and vegetables are softened and fully cooked through, I'm going in with an immersion blender and pureeing everything to get that smooth, silky consistency. It should be just thick enough that you can run your finger on the spatula and the shape holds. If it's too watery, keep simmering until the water evaporates. But if it's too thick, just add a pinch more water. Serve with a slice of lemon and croutons made from Arabic bread and enjoy. And that's it. It's pretty simple, but it's really delicious and fulfilling. And as usual, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!